Good morning. This video is the second video for the muscles of the thigh and the leg. And then this one will also include the foot. Here is the sartorius. We can see it on our mini muscle man, our leg muscle model, our PowerPoint diagram, and our single muscle man. The sartorius flexes, abducts, and laterally rotates the thigh. It also flexes the knee and is the longest muscle in the body. If you make all of those moves, you'll be sitting like the tailor in the photo. Here's the tailor, and that's why it's called the tailor's muscle. Okay, we are now looking at muscles that move the foot. Our first muscle is the tibialis anterior. We have it on the PowerPoint slide, the mini muscle man. Here it is on the leg model. Okay, the tibialis anterior is the prime mover of dorsiflexion. An injury to this muscle causes shin splint pain also. The next muscle that moves the foot is the extensor digitorum longus. Here it is on the muscle model. Here it is on the mini muscle man. On the PowerPoint diagram. And I can draw it in on this one. Oops. Here we go. And right here. Okay. If you'll notice, this is how I know it. This is just like the one with the hand. Digitorum. I know we're going to make a lot of connections with digits. Okay, here we go with digits. 1, 2, 3, right? We have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3. My lines are terrible. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. The extensor digitorum longus is a prime mover of toe extension. It also is a synergist of dorsiflexion. Here we have the gastrocnemius. You can see it here on the, I'm not sure what you're seeing. Let me move the slide over a little bit. I may have to move it as we go. Okay, here it is on the PowerPoint diagram. Okay, another view from a PowerPoint, a side view. Here we have it on our single muscle man. Here we have it. Whoops, I didn't draw a line, did I? No, what's wrong? Here we go. Okay, that's on our leg model. Here is on our mini muscle man. Okay, the gastrocnemius is the prime mover of plantar flexion. Here's our last muscle. That's some shifts. Let me move things over. Okay, this is a soleus. Here it is on the PowerPoint slide. It's right underneath the gastrocnemius. Here we go. On the mini muscle man. Here's a Whoops, let's do that over. I can do that. Okay. On a posterior view of the PowerPoint slide, leg muscle model, and I think this would be it on our single muscle man. The soleus is a synergist of plantar flexion. It inserts on the calcaneus bone via the calcaneal tendon, also known as the Achilles tendon. And that wraps it up. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed all the muscles in this video and the previous videos. There'll be 5 videos altogether. There is the muscles of the head and neck. There were muscles of the upper extremities. There was a part 1 and a part 2. There is muscles of the thigh and the leg, and then muscles of the thigh and the leg continued with muscles of the foot. I hope I've provided you enough images from the PowerPoint, the mini muscle man, the single muscle man, and the leg model that will help make you very successful. Please study as much as you possibly can, and if there's anything else you need, just email me on school email. And that's it. I hope I'll see you Monday for the muscle practical. Thank you. Bye.